I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device to Uber Eats is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Uber Eats app. Go to your device's App Store and search for Uber Eats. Download and install the app. Step 2. Open the app and sign in. Launch the app and tap on Sign In. Enter your existing Uber account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 3. Allow permissions. When prompted, grant the app necessary permissions such as location access. This helps in finding nearby restaurants. Step 4. Set up payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Start ordering. Once everything is set up, browse through the available restaurants and place your first order. Don't forget to check for any promo codes. Remember, if you run into issues, double check that your app is updated to the latest version. Happy ordering!